Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Syauqi Roslan, number metric DF210064. We are from Group 7, Section 2. So we start our presentation with introduction. Nowadays, application of mechanical and electrical system are widely used in building. So the main purpose of M&E system are to provide comfortable and safety to occupancy of building, and then to provide white space in building. M&E system can be classified into three categories, which are mechanical system that related to ventilation and air conditioning, and second, electrical system, which is for distribution of electrical power in the building, and last, building operation, or also known as smart building, for example escalator. Next, background project. In this project, floor plan for ground and first floor was designed based on architecture plan. So the area of building is 6 meter time to 8 meter, where each level floor has one living room and two bedroom. So this is our floor plan for ground and first floor. So based on the layout plan, three important system to be considered. First, mechanical ventilation system. Second, air conditioning system, and the last one is electrical distribution system. Next, objective. So there are several objectives in this project. First, to design and propose an appropriate mechanical ventilation, air conditioning and electrical distribution system. Second, to choose suitable product of material in the market according to the limited budget. And the last one, to apply calculation of volume flow rate for mechanical ventilation and BTU for air conditioning system. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim Iman Nizam, number metric DF31056, and I would like to explain about selection of mechanical ventilation system. Ventilation system in building important for placing stale air with fresh air. This project focus on using mechanical ventilation in kitchen and bedroom, where there is often a lot of moisturizer and pollutant. This system help get rid of bad air quality in their area. In this project, we are required to calculate the volume flow rate Q for the kitchen and bedroom for our double story house with dimension 6 meter and long, 8.6 meter width, and the height is 4 meter using this formula. So our house has one kitchen, two living room, one story, 4 bedroom and 3 toilet. For the calculation, we required for using this question. For example, Q equal NV over 300,600, where the N is the ventilation of rate and V a volume of room. Ventilation to be applied in typical residential house, we take a model ceiling mount propeller 20 CQT1, 20 cm 8 feet. The price is in the target 166 ringgit. After that, we RPM 1207 and motor watt 25.0, ACH is 20, and motor rating 220 until 224 voltage and 50 gigahertz, 50 frequency hertz. Motor type consider noise 4.1. The justification that we get high efficiency motor for to energy safe, and Q blade design for prefer balance and quiet operation, simple and easy to install. The thermal safe and safety to use. Other than for the bedroom toilet, we put the toilet model is wall mount propeller 25 LH, 25 cm, 10 feet, and the price still in the target 1,195 ringgit. RPM is 1055 and motor watt is 29, ACH 10, motor rating 220 until 240 and 5 Hz frequency. Motor type consider noise level 43 and net weight is 2.0. The improved height is performance condenser motor with long life bearing, energy save for occupancy down average 30%, automatic shutter An advanced aerodynamic blade design minimize obtain the airflow. And lastly, new curve shape front left for better outlook against the airflow. Next, this is our plan that we locate for bedroom and kitchen. For toilet and kitchen. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamil Ahmed bin Sasuddin. My number is DF210053. So today I would like to present about air conditioning system. So after our group do some calculation, we found our house only use aircon 1.0 horsepower. So after we do a research, we found the Daikin FTKU series R32 is the best aircon. So why we choose this series? Because first, the type is inverter. As you know, the inverter is very good for our to save our bill electric. So next, the refrigerant is use the gas R32, which is good. So next, rating cooling capacity is 9,700 BTU per hour. The energy rating is 5 star because energy rating is very important to save our electric bill. So next unit weight indoor and outdoor is only 9 kg and 24 kg. So after we research at the shop, the model is only 1,699 ringgit. So next, this is our plan house. So our house have two floor, which is ground floor and first floor. So at the ground floor, uh, you can see a block with the red line. So there are only two. We put in living room and bedroom too. Meanwhile, at the first floor, we put our aircon in the bedroom one. So that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haris bin Yassin, metric number DF210014. Today I want to continue to present about electrical plant in this building. The purpose of electrical system in building is to distribute the power safely to all of the different room and appliances. The electrician at first place all of the box for electrical outlet light and switch. All material used for house, such as wiring, fan, and light, should be of good quality. One of the reason electrical fan apply in the building to give a safety to the building. Next, I want to continue to present about distribution box. Distribution box are commonly used in residential and commercial electrical system. Also known as a distribution board, it's responsible for distributing the electrical power throughout the home or building which is used. Electricity typically enter home and building from a single line. The main power line connect to the distribution board, which then distribute the electrical power. There are different type of distribution board, but they are all designed to distribute electrical power. Next, I want to tell how distribution board works. Distribution box work by distribute electrical power. They receive electrical power from the main power line or another primary power line and they distribute it via outlets. With a distribution box, circuit won't be overloaded. Circuit of course can only support so much electrical power. If a circuit is overloaded with too much electrical power, it will be create a fire hazard. Distribution board work by distributing electrical power while simultaneously protecting circuit from being overloaded. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aki Hakimi bin Ismail and I will tell you about the conclusion. So, in conclusion, the mechanical ventilation, air conditioning and electrical distribution system play important role for component of our building. This kind of system to ensure the safety and the healthy environment. Next is can minimize the impact on environment and promoting the health and well-being. Nowadays, the building are designed by using the concept of sustainable building. Sustainable building is the designing, constructing, and operating the building system that aim to minimize the environment impact. This can be reached by using the sustainable material with the suitable specification. This also can reduce costs. Mechanical ventilation, air conditioning, and electrical distribution system can be applied to perform the sustainable building. Okay, next is with the proper design, the selected system can perform optimally. So with the proper design, accurate installation and the maintenance of the mechanical ventilation system, air conditioning system, and electrical distribution system are very important to make sure the system work at the optimal condition. After that, some specification also need to be identified, such as the number of occupants, the dimension of the building, rating for air and the electrical load. So by identifying the specification and requirement needed, the design of systems such as for the mechanical ventilation system can perform well in provide a fresh air condition in the building while removing the pollutant. While also the air conditioning and electrical distribution system should be energy efficiency with the high energy efficiency equipment and control used in the building. Regular inspection and maintenance are also necessary to ensure the system can perform well and efficient in long-term condition. Overall, the proper function of the system for building is important for well-being and productivity of the occupants. So that's all for me. Thank you.